In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are WhatsApp communities and how to use them. WhatsApp communities help you organize multiple related group chats under one umbrella so people can quickly find the right place to talk. Think of the community as your hub and the groups inside it as topic-specific rooms like general chat, announcements, or focus projects. First, open WhatsApp on your phone or computer. Make sure you're signed in and updated so the communities feature is available. From the main screen, look for the Communities tab alongside your usual chats and calls. Tap it to enter the Communities area. This is where you'll see communities you're part of and where you can create a new one. Tap New Community, sometimes shown as Start Your Community. You'll set up the basics here, enter a clear, recognizable community name so members can identify it instantly in their chat list, add a brief description that explains who the community is for and how it should be used. This sets expectations and reduces off-topic posts. Then choose a profile picture. Aim for something simple and readable at small sizes, like a clean logo or icon, so it's easy to spot. Now decide how you want conversations to be organized. You can create a new group right away or add existing groups you already manage. A common approach is to start with two: a general chat for everyday discussion and an announcement group for key updates. The announcement group is great when you want information to stand out without being buried by replies. If you already have active groups, adding them to the community keeps their history and members intact while giving everyone a central home. As you add or create groups, keep names clear and purposeful. Labels like general, announcements, events, or support make it obvious where messages belong. Keep descriptions concise but helpful so members understand each group's focus at a glance. Use the community description to outline simple guidelines, such as staying on topic and being respectful, to keep the experience positive and organized. That's it. You've opened WhatsApp, entered the Communities tab, started a new community, set the name, description, and profile picture, and either created new groups or connected the ones you already manage. With that foundation in place, your members can easily find updates, talk in the right places, and stay organized, all from one central hub.